We actually are expanding Name That Video part to name that in a rally car. Do you call it rev limiter still? Is that, or what do you guys call it when it's pinned?
Yeah, rev limiter. Maybe
we'll call this section Name That Rev Limiter.
Okay.
It's a new one, special for you.
If you can name what segment this is from, hint you're a part of, you get yourself a prize back maybe. Here we go.
I mean, it's a Hudicorn. I can't. It's got 2 turbos on it, so it's either gymkahana or gymkahana 10.
Gymkahana, that's correct. We're gonna, okay, we got one more for you. So let's see how he does. This is gonna be. He might be batting 1,000 on this.
Yeah.
Let's see. Don't blow it.
It's a Subaru. It's a gymkahana 2.
Wow, dude.
You got any bonus for what that sound is?
Well, I mean, the backfiring is just me with my foot to the floor and it's banging off the rev limiter.
But there's also...
Oh, that's Deerdick with the paintball.
Yes.
Yeah.
Dude,
all right.
just crushed that.
100% average.